You ever have that payday moment where you feel rich for exactly 11 minutes? Then a week later, you open your bank app and think, wait, where did it go? It's not one big purchase. It's death by 1,000 little swipes. A couple of Uber Eats orders, convenience store runs, and random subscriptions you forgot existed. Your brain goes, I'm just bad with money. But that's a lie. You're not bad with money. Your account is just leaking cash in ways you don't even notice. Today, I'm showing you how I cut my expenses by 30% without feeling poor. No weird stuff like eating plain rice in the dark. Just a smarter system. I'm Jack, and if you're ready to fix your wallet, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. When people hear cut 30%, they panic and think about rent. Relax. We aren't touching fixed bills. If you make $3,500 a month, you likely spend $600 on fun and optional stuff. Cutting 30% of just that is a smooth $180 saved without moving into a closet. Here is the cheat code, the joy per dollar rule. You don't actually miss the cash. You miss how spending it makes you feel. Rate your optional spending. Cut the low-joy, high-cost habits first, like that mediocre delivery food, and protect the things you actually love. I focused on plugging the big 5 leaks: convenience stops, subscription creep, impulse buying, transportation leaks, and panic food choices when you're tired. Instead of banning takeout, I planned it to just once a week. Boom, immediate savings. Willpower runs out, but systems don't. Use the 7-day delay rule for impulse shopping. More importantly, use separate accounts. One for bills, one for spending, one for savings. When everything is mixed together, you never feel financially secure. Real wealth is simple. No panic when bills show up, just pure breathing room. Drop a comment saying 30% if you're trying this and tell me which category is stealing your cash. Subscribe for practical money strategies that don't require you to live like a monk. Let's get it.